In this video, I'll show you how to save your documents in Microsoft Word. If you have been wanting to learn how to save your documents in Microsoft Word, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your desktop background, right? This is our desktop background. Then click on the Microsoft Word icon. You wait for it to open. So it's currently loading. Give it a few seconds, it would open right away. So this is it. It has opened. So I'll show you how you can save your documents in Microsoft Word. At first, you need to open this blank document. Click on this. Then you can come on here and type anything you want to type. You can type how to edu YouTube channel provides educational guides. So once I've typed this, what I'll do, I'll take my mouse cursor, I'll scroll to this file option, right? Amongst these options, amongst these tabs, click on this file icon. Then you'd click save as. You'd see this document, click on it. So yeah, what would you like to save this file with? I'll type in how to edu YouTube tutorial. Then once I'm done with this, I'll click on this save button. It will automatically save, right? How is your experience with Office Suite so far? I'll click on this. It's great. So yeah, this is how you can save your documents in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, ensure you subscribe down below and share your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.